It's almost 1 PM. I just woke up. Went to sleep at 5. Oh, I hate jet lag. I think it's really important to make sure that you have comfort foods when you're somewhere new. So I just went to M&S, got some porridge and some tea. Well, I already had some tea. And I got some bananas as well. Yeah, I'm going to the office after I eat this, or shortly after. As I said, I woke up really late, like 1 PM. I just underestimated jet lag. I thought for some reason maybe I'd avoided it because I felt completely fine yesterday. But yeah, I just find the mornings a little bit of a struggle. But anyways, I'm up. I've got my porridge. After dinner yesterday, I needed something familiar. So here goes. I'm in danger of running late, so I'm gonna finish this porridge and then, yeah, I need to hurry up. Okay, that was a success. I got there on time. It went well. People seem nice. Got my documentation. I have to go do something called the SCRC test tomorrow. I'll go do that at 10 AM, which I'm hopefully gonna make. I'm gonna be so jet lagged, but hopefully I'll be able to do that. And now I'm gonna go move some stuff into my accommodation for next year. You get the most random shops here. I mean, look at this Bentley garage in the middle of the city. Time for a quick room tour. I promised it earlier and now here it is. My room is quite small. Wall to wall. You see here, reach out with one hand, push it this bit, literally just here. That's what the room is in terms of size, but if I just show you, right here, you've got my bed. Just made it now. Not very good at making beds, but there we go. Above the bed, it's got a TV and nice overhead lighting. The view is kind of ugly, not gonna lie. It's a shame. If I was one floor higher, I feel like I'd have a nice view. Okay, apart from that, we have the toilet bathroom area. It's got a slidey door. Put my towel up. I've got here a mirror, which is also doubles up as a cupboard to store toiletries. Sink with water basin. Then we've got a shower. And then by the door, we've got this area. Ignore the rubbish, that was what my stuff came in. Two storage area. And also if I open up this, quite big cupboards. Oh, my desk here. With a chair, my shoes. It's got underbed storage, which is quite nice. And it's also got storage on this side of the bed, if you can see there, storage, which is handy. Got these drawers on the desk. Then here's my wardrobe. Comes with an umbrella, which will be handy here because I was going to buy an umbrella anyway. Underneath that cupboard, if I step into the bathroom, we have a fridge. I'll open it this way. Fridge. With a freezer compartment at the top. And I've got all these drawers here. That's the room. There's also a communal area outside, which I will show you in a minute. But yeah, that's my room. I went to the supermarket and got these essentials. Marmite, literally the thing I've been craving most of all. And it's quite cool. It's got like a different Hong Kong brand. Thought they'd have to import it, but they obviously produce it around here. I also got some tea, some apples, some familiar washing products. I got these mushroom bao buns, or vegetable buns even, that I'm really excited to try out because they only cost me like £1.30, so I'll see how those are. And I also got these gyozas, also vegetarian, and some grapes. And this sauce, I love this sauce. I have it all the time in the UK, so I got it here as well because I know I like it. It's 4 PM the next day and I'm going to end the vlog here. I'll just update you on what I got up to after that. I ate that marmite I showed you, I cooked a little bit of food, and then I went back to my hotel. And then the next day, today, I had to get up for the check in the morning, which I almost missed, but just about made it for, and that was all fine. And then I went into the office and had lunch with them. And then after that, I went to Uniqlo to buy some clothes, such as the top I'm wearing now, which is to deal with the heat because it's so hot here. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll probably see you on the weekend when I've got a bit of time off and I'll do some exciting things. And so see you on the weekend.